Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this red light therapy. This is an LED facial light therapy with 7 different colors. This is the facial wand massager. Alright, so right here we have the 7 color LED light therapy wand for your face, your neck, your body, and your hand. This one does come in 2 different colors. So this one right here is the pink, blue, green. They also offered in a purple color. So let's go and open it from the box. So this right here is supposed to help with anti-aging. It's supposed to help tighten up the muscles, the skin, smooths the skin, tightening the skin, shrink pores. The 7 colors LED therapy. You got the red, which promotes blood circulation and relieves allergic skin. Then we have the green, which is calming the sensitive skin, which is body and mind. You've got the blue, which calm allergic skin. You have purple, which is whitening and brightening of the skin. Yellow, which relieves skin, eczema, and swelling. You have the crayon, which promotes skin metabolism, strengthens the skin tissue. And then you have the last one, which is the white, which tightens the skin, improves fine lines, and loose skin. So this one here does come with a Type-C cable to charge it. It does not come with a charging block, just a cable. So this is what the wand looks like. This is the pink, blue, green color. They do offer it in purple. So this is supposed to help promote with your skin, healing of your skin. The therapy helps your beauty every day. You've got 7 different colors. They do help with all your skin types, whether you have oily skin or you have dry skin. So there's a power button at the bottom. You've got the light on the top. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this out on my skin. So you can see right now I have it turned on. This is using the red, and then I will try all the different colors. So this one here is the red, which the red helps promote blood circulation. So if you have any irritations in your skin, this should help promote your circulation. So just going around your head like this, around your eyebrows, your forehead, your nose, your cheeks. You can also do this under your neck. You can do it on your shoulders, like around your neck shoulder area. So here is the green color. You got the blue, they've got the yellow color, they have the purple color, the blue, crayon, and the white. So this is the purple, which kind of looks more like a pink. Then you've got the crayon color right here. We're going back to the red to promote the skin. So we're just going to go around the face just like this. It is super easy. You could take this. Right now I can do around your hand. So this also works if you're going to do your hands or your fingers. So with the anti-aging, you don't want your hands to age because that's the next thing that does age. So besides your face, you can do your hands and your fingers. This button here at the top will change the colors. So it can be used with many skincare products such as cleansers, face masks, water creams, face creams. This is super easy to use. In fact, it is so nice and soft to the skin. If you use it for more than 20 minutes, it doesn't seem like there's a problem. It is recommended using this 3 to 4 times a week, about 20 minutes each time. So not only does you give different lights, it's got a high frequency vibration introduction, which gets down to the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous tissues. It's got 200 million plus suitable for most skin types. So this works with all different skin types. This is convenient and simple orientation. There is no side effects. Offers pure light and energy for the skin. So if you've ever tried a light therapy using a face mask, this basically does the same thing, except for this one here is more portable. The therapy is face for circulation most types. Red light increases the blood circulation, collagen productions. Whitenings is for the green light, which improves pigmentation, reduces wrinkles and fine lines, anti-aging. They also have where it calms and tightens the skin. So this one does a lot of soothing to the skin. It has a 90-degree rotating massage head, which takes care of a full inch of your skin and can be used around the eyes, face, neck, hands, back, and so on. So right now I'm just doing the hands. So this one here has no side effect. It is super nice. I like this, the fact that you could take it anywhere. You could be sitting at a meeting and just rub this all over your face or your hands. Will help tight those fine lines and wrinkles. It does come with a Type-C charging cable, so if you're out about and you have a battery pack, you can take that with you and charge it. It's super nice. You can use skincare creams. I've used aloe vera on my face, and when I use this with the aloe vera on my face, it gives a kind of a little pinching sensation, basically showing you that it does do a little bit of the tightening right there, but it is not too uncomfortable. The great thing about this, you can use it either this way or you can turn it sideways. You can use this without facial cream or facial cream, however you like doing your skincare regimen. I would definitely say if you're looking for a nice LED light therapy wand, I would highly recommend checking this one.